Now, students, today we're going to start this new chapter, chapter number 14, drag and indirect proportion. Okay, so first I want to tell what is the meaning of variation. Okay, what is written here? If the value of two quantities depend upon each other, such a way that a change in one result in a corresponding change in the other, then the two quantities are said to be in variation. Okay, variation means proportion also. Variation and proportion are both meaning having same meaning. Okay, so what is given? If the value of two quantities are there. Okay, value of two quantities depend upon each other. They are going to depend upon each other in a such a way that if the change in one quantity is going to go on, so then the result of the other quantity going to be also. Okay, see, if the value of two quantities depend upon each other, such a way that a change in one result, we want to change in one result, so then corresponding change in the other is also there. If I go to change the result of one quantity, so then the corresponding result are going to change other. Then the two quantities are said to be are in proportional or in variation. Okay. Now there are two types of variation. There are two types of variation depending upon how the quantities change with the other. It depends upon the quantity vector. There are two types of proportional or variation. Meaning of variation and proportion are going to be same. So there are two types of variation. So number one is direct proportional. Number two is indirect proportional. So there are two types of variation of proportional. Number one is direct proportional. Number two is indirect proportional. Now, what is the meaning of direct proportional? I want to tell you the meaning of direct proportional. Okay, direct proportional or direct variation are going to be same. Direct proportional or direct variation are going to be same. See, I want to explain now. What is the meaning of direct proportional or direct variation? See. I want to tell this with one example. I want to tell you now the first. Let the cost of 1 kg sugar be rupees 10. 1 kg sugar going to rupees 10. Okay. Now quantity is going to be 1 kg, and the in 1 kg sugar cost me rupees 10. If I want to change this quantity, now I want to write here 2 kg. Now what I do, I increase the quantity. Now the price of 2 kg going to be more or less 1 kg sugar going to cost rupees 10. Okay, beta. Now what is the price of the 2 kg sugar? It's going to be more or less. It's going to be actually more because it's going to multiply by 10. It's going to be rupees 20. The cost of 2 kg sugar going to be rupees 20. See, that quantity going to be changed, the price also going to be changed. If quantity going to increase, so then price is also going to be increased. So this is the example of direct variation or direct proportion. Okay, I give one more example. Suppose cost of one book is rupees 50. Cost of one book going to be rupees 50. What is the cost of 10 books? So what is the cost of 10 books going to be increased or decreased? It's going to be actually increased. What is the cost? Cost going to be rupees 500. Okay. If the cost of one book is rupees 50, I want to increase the quantity of the book. If I want to increase the quantity of the book, the price of the book is going to be increased. So it's going to depend upon each other. So this is the example of direct variation. So this is the example of direct variation. Now I want to tell second quantity indirect variation. I want to tell example of indirect variation. See. Now second example I want to tell you indirect variation, because how many types of variations are there? Two types of variations are there. Number one is direct. Number two is indirect. I want to tell indirect variation quantity. See, if 5 men do a work in 10 days, 5 men can do a work in 10 days. Okay. Now I want to increase the number of men. I increase number of men by 10. So 5 men do a work 10 days. Okay. Now what I do? I increase the number of men. So now 10 men can do a work. Same work they are going to do. Same work they will do. Now the number of men are more. It means number of days going to be less, greater or less. Who will tell? My question is 5 men do a work in 10 days. Now I increase the number of men. Now 10 men can do the work, same work they are going to do in how many days? Now I want to ask for Anshuman. Anshuman, open your mic, beta. Yes, Anshuman.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. 10 men can do the same work. It going to be increased or decreased?
Sir, decrease.
Decrease. It means if
Sir,
5 men
decrease.
10 days. So I want to increase the number of quantity of men, then 10 men going to do same work in less days. It means it going to be completed in 5 days. Now what happened here? When I want to increase the number
Yes,
of
sir.
men, days going to be decreased. Days not going to be increased. So this is the example
Yes,
of
sir.
what indirect proportion. This is the example of indirect proportion. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If I increase
Yes,
the
sir.
number of then here it is also going to be increased. So that is the example of direct proportional. If it is going to be decreased, it is the example of indirect proportional. I hope it is clear to everyone now. If any doubt is there, then send us it to me. I will repeat it. Okay. Now
Okay, sir. No doubt, sir.
today we are going to start this question number 1. Check what is given in your question number 1. Now we are going to start this exercise 14A. Okay. Now check first question. Question number 1. What is given in this question? Which of the following? Which of the following are in direct variation? Question mark. Okay. Now we want to check which one is the going to be direct variation. Now first question, first part. What is given? Money. Money deposit. Money deposit in the bank. And interest earned on it. Now we want to check whether it's going to be direct variation or indirect variation. Check. Now what is given? Some money is there. Money is not given. Okay. Money we want to deposit in the bank. When we want to deposit money in the bank, then bank will give us interest. So then some interest is there. Okay. So I tell you this question with the help of example. See, suppose let principal be rupees 1,000. Okay, I want to deposit 1,000 in the bank. When I want to deposit in the 1,000 in the bank, rate is given 10%. Rate is given 10%. So then interest is going to be rupees 100. Suppose I deposit 1,000 rupees in the bank. With the rate of 10%, the interest will come rupees 100. Okay. Now I want to increase this amount. I want to increase this principal by 4,000. Now I increase the amount of the principal. If I increase the amount of the principal, rate going to be remain same. So then the interest going to be more or less. If I increase the amount of the principal, then the rate of interest going to be increase or less? It's going to be increase or decrease? Who will tell? When principal is rupees 1000, then the interest is rupees 100 rupees. Okay. Now I want to increase the amount of the principal. I increase the amount of the principal rupees 4000. Now who will tell what is the interest? Whether interest going to increase or decrease? Manvi, open your mic, beta. Manvi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Interest going to increase or decrease?
Increase.
It's going to be increased by. So I suppose this is going to be 400 rupees. When I want to increase the amount of principal, then definitely interest going to be increased. It means this is the example of direct proportional or direct variation. So this is the example of direct variation. The first part of the question is the example of direct variation or direct proportional. Both are going to be same. I hope it is clear now, beta. I hope it is clear now. If any doubt is there, send a message to me. Then now I want to explain second part. So first part is the example of direct proportional or direct variation. I hope it is clear now. Now second part, check second part, what is given in the second part. In second part it is given number of workers and the time taken to complete our. Okay. Now some workers are there. They're going to complete their work. Okay. Now I want to check whether this statement going to be represented by direct proportional or indirect proportional. Okay. I want to explain this statement with the help of example. Okay. Now see here. Suppose if 5 workers do or complete 5 workers complete their work in 2 days. What I write here? 5 workers complete their work in 2 days. Now I want to increase the number of workers. If I want to increase the number of workers, I write here 10 workers. First 5 workers are there. I suppose if 5 workers complete their work in 2 days, 5 workers going to complete their work in 2 days. Now I want to increase the number of workers. Then they are going to complete their work in less time or more time. If 10 workers are there, they are going to complete same work. Which work they are going to complete? 5 workers now. Same work they are going to complete. So if 10 workers are there, they are going to do the same work. How many days they are going to complete? Now who will tell? Days are going to be more or less. Lavdora, open your mic, beta. Lavdora, open your mic.
Good morning, sir.
Now it's come.
Sir, yes.
Less. Now the number of 10 workers going to complete their work in 1 day. Now the day is going to be less. Okay. When I increase the number of workers, it's going to be decreased. So this is the example of indirect proportional. So this is going to be the example of indirect variations. Okay, beta. So this second statement going to be represented by indirect variation. This is the example of indirect variation. I hope it's clear to everyone. Clear, beta? Send message to me, beta, if any doubt is there. If any doubt is there, Shitish, it is clear, beta? Shitish.
No doubt, sir.
What do you say, beta?
Sir, no doubt.
Okay, no doubt. Okay, beta. Now check next part. Third part I'm going to solve on the board. Check what is this? Check third part. Whether it is going to be direct or indirect proportional. Now check what is given in the third part. In third part, it is given area of land and its cost. Area of land is there and the cost of land is there. Now we need to check that it is going to be represented by direct proportional or indirect proportional. Okay. Now see here. I write here suppose let the cost of 100 square meter land is rupees 1 lakh. What I write here? Let the cost of 100 square meter land is there. The cost of 100 square meter land is rupees 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Now what I do? Now I want to increase the amount of the land. I write here 200 square meter. Now I increase the area of the land. Now I increase the area of the land. Now I want to check whether the amount will increase or decrease. If I increase the area of the land, then the price of land going to be increased or decreased. Who will tell? The cost of 100 square meter land is rupees 1 lakh. We suppose cost of 100 meter square land is rupees 1 lakh. Then what is the cost of 200 square meter land? I am going to increase the area of the land. Then whether price of the land going to increase or decrease. Who will tell? Nirav, open your mic, beta. Nirav.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tell beta the amount of price going to increase or decrease.
Sir, it will increase.
It will going to increase. It will going to increase by 2 lakh. See.
Yes, sir.
Now going to increase the amount of the land. Then the price is also going to be increased. So this is the example of direct variation. So this is the example of direct variation. When we want to increase the amount of the land, area of the land, then price of the land is also going to be increased. It means this is the example of direct variation or direct proportional. I hope it is clear, everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone, beta. Send message to me. Okay. I'm going to ask from other students. Now, Anshika, open your mic, beta. Anshika.
Good morning, sir.
This is the example of direct proportional.
Sir, what?
Next question, beta. Next part, fourth part of this question. Now check fourth part, beta. What is given in this question? Fourth part. In fourth part, it is given that the distance traveled by a taxi and the fare charge. Now we're going to check whether it is the example of direct proportional or indirect proportional. Now what is given? Distance traveled by taxi. Now we have our taxi. So we are going to travel some distance. When you are going to travel some distance, then the charge are there. Then you are going to pay some charge. So I give one example for this. See, let the fare for 10 kilometers is ₹100. What I write here? Let the fare of taxi. Let the fare of taxi for ₹10 kilometers. I write here fare for 10 kilometers is ₹100, which follows that the fare of 10 kilometers is going to be ₹100. Now I want to increase the kilometer. Now I want to increase the distance traveled by the taxi. I write here 50 kilometers. Now taxi will to cover 50 kilometers. If I increase the distance of the taxi, then fare will to be increased or decreased. My question is the cost of the fare of 10 kilometers traveled by taxi is ₹100. Okay. Now I increase the distance of the taxi. Now the amount is going to increase or decrease. 1 year you tell beta. 1 year. Now the amount of
Sir, it will increase.
it going to be increased.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is going to be, what is the amount? It's going to be ₹500. When I increase the distance of the taxi, then the amount is also going to be increased. Okay. So this is the example of direct proportional. So this is the example of direct variation. So this is an example of direct variation of the direct proportional. Okay. Now check last fifth one. What is given in the last? Last part of this question, check whether it is going to be direct or indirect. Fifth part is this one. Number of taps to fill a container and time required to fill the container. Okay. Now we want to check whether it is the example of direct or indirect. Number of taps are there. Some taps are there, they are going to fill a container. Suppose this one is the tap. One tap is there. So it is going to fill one container. So this is your container. One tap going to fill this container in 2 hours. Time is given 2 hours. How many taps are there? One tap is there. One tap going to fill this container in 2 hours. Okay. Now container going to remain same. The container volume of container going to remain same. Now what I do? Now I open 2 taps. In first case, only one tap is there. One tap going to complete this container or fill this container in 2 hours. Now I open 2 taps. Now number of taps are 2. Now move it 10. What is the time taken by these 2 taps to fill the tank? Now, what is the time taken by 2 taps to fill the tank? It's going to be increase or decrease. My question is this: whether it is going to increase or decrease. One tap going to fill container in 2 hours. Okay. Now what I do? I open 2 taps. Now 2 taps are going to fill the same tank. Now my question is going to be time going to be increase or decrease. I increase the taps. Now Kshitiz, open your mic, beta. Kshitiz, 8 of some.
The time will decrease. It will be 1 hour.
Increase or decrease? Tell.
That decrease.
Decrease. So it's going to be filled in 1 hour. So this is going to be filled in 1 hour. See, in first case, one tap going to be fill the tank in 2 hours. Now I increase the quantity of the taps. When I increase the quantity of the tabs, but the time is not going to be increased. Time going to be decreased. So therefore, this is the example of indirect variation. So right here, this is the example of indirect variation. I hope it is clear to everyone now. What is indirect or what is indirect? Send message to me better. If any doubt is there, send message to me. I hope it is clear to everyone what is direct or what is indirect. If we increase the quantity, then the amount of quantity is also going to be increased. So this is the example of direct quantity. Okay, suppose cost of 1 kg sugar is going to increase 10. So what is the cost of 5 kg sugar? It is going to be increased. If I increase the quantity, the price is going to be increased. So this is the example of direct. Now see, one tap going to fill the tank in 2 hours. Now I open 2 taps. When I open 2 taps, the time going to be decreased. Time is not going to be increased. So it is the example of indirect variation. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Okay. Now check better next question. Question number 2. Now check next part, beta. Next question, question number 2. Check what is given in this question. In which of the following are tables X and Y directly proportional? Now we want to check whether in this table X and Y are directly proportional or not. Okay. First we have to check. Then we have to find the constant of the variation. What is the constant value of the given variation? Okay. Now check on the board. So this table is given. To make this table first. In this question, we want to check whether this X and Y are directly variation or not. First, we want to check this. After checking whether if they are going to be proportional, so what is the find the constant of the variation. We want to check the constant value. It's going to vary in every terms. Okay. Now see what is given. 3 by 12, 5 by 20, 8 by 32, 11 by 44, and the last one is 23 upon 92. Okay. Now see on the board. Now this table is given in your question number 2. So can I write X upon Y equal to 3 by 12? All terms are equal to each other. So I write here X, Y, I take plus 2. X upon Y equal to 3 by 2. Now I write here X upon Y equal to 5 by 20. Write in this way first. Now X, Y is equal to 8 by 32. Now X upon Y equal to 11 by 44. And the last one is X upon Y is equal to 23 upon 92. So write complete question in this way. Okay. Now I want to simplify that. If the simplification of all the result going to remain same, so then it's going to be then X and Y going to be direct relation. Okay. If the result of all the terms not going to be same, so then X and Y are not going to be proportional. Okay. Now check. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. This is going to be 1 by 4. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So answer become 1 by 4. Check next. 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. Answer become 1 by 4. Next 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44. Answer become 1 by 4. 23 1s are 23, 24 92. Answer become 1 by 4. Now X upon Y is equal to 3 by 12 is equal to 5 by 20 equal to 8 by 32. 8 by 32 equal to 11 by 44 equal to 23 upon 92 is equal to 1 by 4, which which is constant. So this is the constant value of the given question. So if the result of all the terms going to remain same, then what you are going to write here? Then you have to write hence x and y. Hence x and y are directly proportional and the constant of variation is 1/4. So this is your answer. Okay, so write every part separately. Solve them. If the answer of all ones are going to be remain same, then you are going to write here x equal y equal to 3/12, 5/20, 8/32, 11/44, 23/22. All results are going to be remain same, so all are equal to 1/4. So this is your constant. Then you have to write here hence x and y are directly proportional and the constant variation is 1/4. This is the constant variation in all the terms. It's going to be 1/4. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is it clear, beta? Send message to me. Tushika, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to ask one thing also.
Yes, tell. What do you want to ask?
Sir, like in first question, all the 5 parts, you were increasing the distance or the coast of the land or the area of the land. Sir, if we decrease some, sir, like in the third part, area of land and its coast. So if we decrease the coast, so then what will happen? The area of land, then we will say that it is indirect variation.
It will be indirect, beta. If you increase the amount, then its price is also going to be increased. Then that is the example of direct variation. If price is going to be decreased, then it is the example of indirect variation. Okay,
Sir,
beta?
so then it is our choice if we want to decrease or increase.
Yes. In next exercise, you want to see same. In next exercise, it is going to be decreased. So that exercise is going to be the example of indirect variation. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta.
Thank
Now
you.
that next question number 3. What is given in this question? So do one thing. Solve first 5 questions of this exercise. Write down today's homework. Today's homework is solve first 5 questions of this exercise. Okay. So now check third question. Okay, third question I want to solve on the board. Check what is given in third question. In third question, it is already given that x and y are proportional. We have to find the value of a, b, and c. Okay. Now we are not going to check whether x and y are directly proportional or not. In third question, it is given that x and y are directly proportional to each other. We have to find the value of a, b, and c in this question. Okay. Now check how to solve this question. Now in question number 3, it is given x and y are directly proportional. Find the value of a, b, and c. So this is your question number 3. To make one table first. X and y. What is given? 6 and 10. Next one is 15 and 8. 24 and 40. Next one is B and 47.5. Next one is 21 and C. Okay. So this is your question. Now in this question, what we want to solve? We want to find the value of A, B, and C. And it is given that x and y are directly proportional. It is given that x and y are directly proportional. Now see, I want to solve this question. 5, 3 by 5. Because x by 5 becomes 3 by 5. So in the next step, what you going to do? You going to write instead of x by 5, 3 by 5. So use 3 by 5 instead of x by 5. So this implies I write here 3 upon 5 equal to 15 upon 8. Now take cross multiply. When you going to take cross multiply, so 3 going to multiply 8. So this becomes 3 into 8 and 5 going to multiply 15. So this becomes 5 into 15. Now what is the value of a? 5 into 15 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, so 5 5s are 25. So value of a becomes 25.